Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How are you guys doing today? So for today's video, it's gonna be a little bit short and it's gonna be a little bit different than what we usually do. So what I'm gonna be doing today is showing you guys like a little haul of things that I bought from Walmart, because Eric and I want to do like some holidays festivities since Christmas is around the corner. Why not? For today's video, I don't think Erica's gonna be here, so just letting you guys know she's not feeling so good for today. But throughout within a couple videos, we're gonna be doing a couple different videos that you guys don't usually see. Well, I think we started doing some at the beginning when we started doing YouTube, but we stopped doing it for a while. But you know, it's Christmas and holidays are here. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys like a little haul, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay guys, so this is what we got. So since, like I said, Christmas is around the corner, so we decided to do some gingerbread house building, and I took this the Disney theme just because the other ones were too complicated to do, so I thought this will be the easiest to do. It's the same ones, and we're gonna do like a little competition to see who decorates it better. And then right here we have some gingerbread cookies and then some sugar cookies. So I got the kit that brings everything. So it brings the icing, the cutting of the shaping of the cookies. So it's gonna be really awesome. And let's see how the cookies come out. But yeah, this is gingerbread cookies, like I said, and then this is sugar cookies. And this is a kit as well, but instead of like the circled regular cookies, it's just like a sweater theme. And it brings the cookie cutters for that as well, and the icing, which is really cute. Look at that, guys. Really exciting. And then right here we have a spice cake. So for this, I have an idea. I saw a recipe online to make coquito cupcakes, and I'm really excited because I think it's gonna turn out perfect. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be doing some coquito cupcakes, and then the recipe recommends to get the spice cake because supposedly it's better. You could either get vanilla cake or spice cake, but supposedly it's better the spice cake because it brings out a little bit more flavor. And then we got some icing. I got 2 icings just in case I ran out of one. And I got the blue and white theme, which is really cute. It's like a ice wonderland. And then I have here some little cupcake holders, of course, Christmas theme, so you can never go wrong with that. Like a little Santa Claus right there, really exciting. And then right here, I got measuring cups because I did not have any measuring cups. And since lately I've been into like baking and stuff, so these definitely come in handy. And I decided to get, obviously, Santa Claus, the shape of Santa Claus. But it's just some regular old measuring, which is really cute. Look, you guys, it has the shape of Santa Claus. Look it right there. So cute. But here again, this is all the things that I got. So guys, stay tuned for these videos coming up, okay? So yeah guys, so like I said, this is gonna be a quick little video, and this is basically like a little intro of a couple videos that we're gonna be doing. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini haul, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.
He lives every spiritus. If you live in a cold ass room, if you're always dying of coldness, if you're always freezing, if you're cold to the touch, if your blankets never warm you up the way you want it to, if you want some hot ass blankets, I got you today. I partnered with Comfy Temp. I will be talking about an electric heated blanket. You never heard of it before? Me either, until now. So Amazon has a bunch of these actually, and I knew there was heated blankets, but I never knew how they're gonna heat up. This one is electric, and it does have a cord running through it, and it does have a power cord that you can plug into the outlet. It will heat up in about 10 minutes. It can range from 104 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you're scared or worried about not turning it off, you're gonna fall asleep, and then you're just gonna have an electric heated blanket on top of you. You don't have to worry because it does automatically turn off after 4 hours, and it does have an overheat protection, so you don't have to worry about that. Obviously, don't do anything stupid with it because it is electric, and anything electric, you know, you have to be very careful with. I got a gray and white color. It's super soft, and it comes with a really nice, handy little bag. It's so cute. They do have free returns. Right now is up till January 31st, I think. I think it all depends. So this is the blanket. It's extremely soft and it's pretty big. It's good for one person if you want it all over you, but you can share this with another person if you're just sitting down. It does have high, medium, and low. This is fucking amazing because it is winter time now. At least if you are in the Northeast or in places that gets cold. Because it is winter. By itself, it's already a really good blanket. It does heat up a little bit with your own body temperature. And heated, bro, best nap of your life, or best sleep of your life. You can check them out on Amazon, Comfy Temp. I did make a video with them a couple videos ago. It was for knee brace. So you have a lot of electric cool things that you can use for yourself. Really cool. So check them out if you care. So I also just had these fucking amazing breakfast tacos. I just had to share. I have to give credits to my sister though, because she was the one that thought about it. It's nothing special and it's very basic and literally anybody can make it. It's just corn tortilla. You warm that shit up. You put some whatever the fuck you want, ham, salad, cheese, and then you put this dressing, the salad dressing that's fucking amazing, and then you put chalupa. I never thought it was gonna be that good, but it's fucking delicious. I had like, actually I had 2 of those, and then I had 2 quesadillas. I'll see you guys in the next video because we have a lot of videos to do. Vlogmas is not, we're not really doing vlogmas, but we're doing vlogmas. We're participating in vlogmas activities. All right, bye.